Hello, I'm Dr. Paradon Jetawana, a cardiothoracic surgeon with approximately 15 years of experience in heart and chest surgery. This involves heart surgery, whether we are replacing or implanting an artificial heart valve or repairing the patient's original valve to correct regurgitation. Instead of a large incision down the middle, we use a small incision on the right side of the chest. To achieve this, we use specialized equipment and a camera that provides detailed images inside. This is known as minimally invasive or endoscopic surgery. Having the camera assist us enables us to perform all necessary procedures through a small opening to operate on the heart. In the traditional method, patients had to undergo surgery by opening the chest, which means cutting through the middle chest bone. The incision was large, about 15 to 20 centimeters, to access the heart. But with this new method, we do not have to cut the bone in the middle of the chest. Instead, we make the incision on the right side. The main surgical wound is about 4 to 5 centimeters, and there is no bone fracture involved. With a smaller incision and its position on the side, the surgical scar becomes invisible after the patient recovers. This also helps reduce pain for the patient because the wound is smaller. Because we use a laparoscope we can't see with the naked eye, all vision depends on the camera. Nowadays, technology has advanced to 3D imaging. For 3D, we wear special glasses. When we look in 3D, it's just like seeing with the naked eye. We can perceive depth. This helps make the surgery more accurate and detailed because current cameras are high definition and have significant magnification. Sometimes, this even allows us to see better than with the naked eye. It helps the whole team see the process clearly. Of every surgical procedure to prevent mistakes, clear heart valve images make surgery easier and faster. 3D imaging helps us perceive the depth of the surgical field. Currently, the main focus is on the mitral valve, which is the heart valve located in the left chamber of the heart, between the left atrium and the left ventricle. We can perform mitral valve replacement or repair through a right-sided chest incision using an endoscopic technique. With this approach, we can operate on the mitral valve together with the tricuspid valve, accessing both through the same incision. We can also repair or replace the mitral valve while simultaneously correcting arrhythmias or make adjustments to other parts of the heart, such as repairing a septal defect. For some patients who have a tumor in the heart chamber, these tumors can also be removed using a minimally invasive endoscopic technique through a small incision on the right side of the chest. The main advantage for patients is that the injury to the body is reduced. This is because we change from a large incision of 15 to 20 centimeters down to a small incision of 4 to 5 centimeters. There is also no need to spread the chest open. Since there is no chest spreading, there are no problems with broken bones or nerve compression, meaning less pain and less trauma from the surgery. This technique allows patients to recover much faster because with the smaller incision, there is no need to cut the bone as before. Traditionally, the breastbone must be cut and then stitched back together, with healing taking several weeks. With this new method, there is no bone cutting. We simply separate the muscles to access the area, so the body recovers much faster. This technique results in shorter hospital stays, reduced blood loss, and patients return to their daily activities sooner. General physicians who specialize in cardiac and thoracic surgery may need to undergo additional training and gain experience first because this type of surgery involves specific techniques and requires a variety of skills that are different from conventional surgery. For example, it involves using longer than usual instruments through small incisions, as well as techniques that require operating while viewing through a camera and performing surgery on the patient's heart valves. The team and equipment are also very important because this type of surgery is quite different from traditional surgery. We perform the procedure through very small incision, so everything needs to be well prepared. Therefore, having an experienced team and the necessary surgical instruments is extremely important for this technique.